Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope this video finds you in the best of health. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Karima, and on this channel I make modest fashion and home organization video. I am an advocate for sustainability and minimalism, and so if these are your areas of interest, then consider subscribing, as we would have lots of fun together on this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, hello, welcome back. I'm happy that you're here. And so I bring you a try on haul video, and I will be showing you the pieces that I got from Mango, Jigsaw and Millen. Now every single item that I'll be showing you today is on sale, and the links to all of the items will be in the description box down below. If you're interested and you want to check them out, well, go ahead. And this video is going to be in two parts. I will be showing you each item that I got and how I will be styling them. And so without further ado, let's get into the video. First item that I got is this lovely jumper. It's in a color lilac, and it's so fluffy and it just feels so comfortable. And this is in a size small, and it was $29.99, and I got it for $12.99. And the way I will be styling this is with this pleated skirt right here, and also with this lovely black bag from Dune, and also I will be styling it with this heel shoes that I also got from Mango. So this is how it looks like in the styling part of the video. Alright, the next item I got is this camel color jumper. It's not very thick, it's thin, and then it can also be worn in the spring and probably in the summer as well, because it's not thick and it's just so lovely and comfortable. And this is in a size medium, and it was $29.99, and I got it for $15.99. Now I will be styling this particular jumper three different ways, and you would see them in the styling part of the video. Okay, the next item is this sage color jumper, and this is in a size extra small, and it was $49.99, and I got it for $15.99. And the way I will be styling this is with a black hijab and this lovely skirt, pleated skirt, midi skirt that I got from New Look. This is how it looks in the styling part of the video. Alright, the next item is this blue jumper, and it's got a puffy sleeve, which I'm currently loving, because one of the trends that I was seeing on the runway is puffy sleeves. So I'm really happy to get this. This is in a size medium, and it was $35.99, and I got it for $12.99. And the way I will be styling this is either with the skirt, this black skirt, or with this floral skirt. But I really prefer this skirt because I think the color of the flowers on the skirt goes really well with this color. So here is what it looks like in the styling part. Alright, the next item is, it's the same as the previous item that I just showed you, but it's just in a different color. And I believe this was a pastel color on the a great pastel color on the website. So again, it's got a puffy sleeve, and the way I will be styling this is with this skirt, and also with a blazer that I will be showing you later on in the video. And this is what it looks like. Okay, next is this brown jumper. It's got a chain detail around the neck, which I really love, and I've always wanted a brown jumper. I don't know why, I just think they're really cute and they go with everything. And this is in a size medium, and it was $35.99 and I got it for $15.99. Now I will be styling this on its own and as well with a brown coat that I got from Mango as well. Don't worry, I will show you that as well in later on in the video. And this is what it looks like in the styling part of the video. Alright, next item is this brown bag that I got. It goes well with pretty much everything that I got, honestly, for this video, and I will be showing you as well how I would style it. Okay, the next item is this lovely kitten heels. This is in a size 38 and it was $35.99 and I got it for $15.99. Now most of these pieces I will be styling with the shoes, as you've probably seen in the styling part of the video. And yeah, I just think it's cute. I've always wanted shoes like this, so I'm really happy to get this. So next is this lovely brown coat that I talked about earlier. Well, I can't really show you the full length of it, but you would see how long it is in the sliding part of the video. I've always wanted a brown coat, and this just ticks all the boxes for me. And this was $139.99 and I got it on sale for $49.99. Now this is a bargain, honestly, it's a bargain. And it comes with a detachable belt, which I think is really cute, and that's what it looks like in the styling part of the video. Alright, enough of Mango, okay? That's pretty much everything that I got from Mango. This is the blazer that I got from Jigsaw, and it's in a size 10, UK size 10, and it was for £180 and I got it for £54. And now I will be styling this in two different ways and coming up on the styling part of the video. And the last item of the pieces that I got is this lovely maxi coat from Millen, and it's in a size UK 8 and it has a detachable belt as well, and it was for £329 and I got it for £167 45, and this is how I will be styling it. Alright, I've come to the end of the video, and if you enjoyed watching, please leave a like, comment your favorite outfit below, and if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Click on the button. Well, until next time, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.